This lesson is meant as an extension of a previous lesson on pythag theorem. This lesson includes 2 steps to solve for the missing variable. The first step is to find the missing side length of the triangle that already gives you 2 side lengths. And that way you only have 1 side length to solve for. So in this case, we're looking at the right triangle because we know the hypotenuse 8 and we know one of the legs 5.4. After we can solve for that, we'll call that missing leg y. We can proceed to the second step, which is to find the variable of the side length we're actually looking for, which is x. In green on the right side, on top right side of the screen, I'm reminded of a right triangle and the pythag theorem a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Remember, our first step is to solve for the variable we called y. Okay, so to set this up, I need to remember that 5.4 squared plus y squared equals our hypotenuse 8 squared. 5.4 squared is 29.16 plus our y squared value, that equals 64. Subtract 29.16 from both sides. I'm left with y squared equals 34.84. Take the square root of both sides. Y equals 5.9. I started step 2, which is to solve for the variable x, by drawing a reference triangle in green underneath my 2 triangles. This helps me identify that I'm just now working with 1 triangle and 1 variable. In this problem, my c value is across from the hypotenuse, so it's the hypotenuse at 7.5, my a value is 5.9, and my b value is x. Remember that your a and b value can be flipped. My equation is 5.9 squared plus x squared equals 7.5 squared. 5.9 squared is 34.81, plus my x squared value is equal to 7.5 squared, which is 56.25. Subtract 34.81 from both sides, and I'm left with x squared equals 24.44. Take the square root of both of those. Therefore, my x value is 4.63, and that's my final answer.